In this video, I'll show you how to set up automated emails in Mailchimp in 2026. First, navigate to the Mailchimp website and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, go to Automations from the left-hand menu. Then open Flow Templates. Here, you'll find a variety of automation templates, such as welcome emails, birthday emails, abandoned cart, and many more. Choose the automation that best fits your needs and wait a moment while Mailchimp generates the automation flow. Next, click Use this flow. You'll now see the trigger that starts the automation. Depending on the template you selected, you can customize the trigger, edit the email content, and modify the workflow to match your marketing goals. Once everything is ready, click Continue in the top right corner. Finally, review the automation settings, confirm everything, and activate the flow. Keep in mind that automated email features require a supported paid Mailchimp plan. If your current plan doesn't include automation, Mailchimp will display an error and you won't be able to activate the workflow. And that's how you can set up automated emails in Mailchimp in 2026.